since last year and a half, I'm working on this plant thing. And then this whole integrative holistic approach in plant, first I was thinking to put into the book form. Then we realized that since it is an integrative approach and it would be ongoing process where there's huge data is involved, that we need to put somewhere where it is ongoing, somewhere where it can be collectively corrected, where integratively all of us put things together. And then the idea of putting them in a form of a kind of a website came into picture, or a kind of a Wikipedia kind of a thing where we put everything there. And then we have a team, national and international, which continuously work on it. So that's what I want to show you, that website. So this is that website, yeah? It's www.plantski.com. And if you see, yeah, it's part of the Thus Spoke the Plant, where the home screen is this. First you have the concept there, where what is integrative approach in homeopathy, in case taking, and in reading Materia Medica, and then reading the remedy, family, higher order, and a class in an integrative holistic way. Then what is multidimensional approach, that how a remedy or a family or a higher order should be looked from any angle. Suppose you click on that and you would go, and that whole detail of what is that. So that way the whole concept has been put there, and why I have selected APG and what is the benefit of integrate multidimensional approach. Then when you look at the main section, this is the main section, plant, there is plant master key. Then you will have the master key of angiosperm, gymnosperm, algae and mosses. Of course, all data has not been put still, but gradually I told you how it will happen. So if you click on angiosperm or plant master key, you will reach to the whole angiosperm there. This is a flowering plant chart. And if you go down, there is a whole APG 4 classification down. So if you click on any, so this is like you have the clad malweed, you have higher order malwales here, you have cucurbitales. So if I click on malwales, I will enter into the one higher order. That way you will see the master key of that malwale. So you have a master key of the malwales. If you have still the master key of the clad, you will have that too here. The whole explanation there. Then as you go down, you will see some videos there. And then you will have, if you go down, all the families of malwales, Malvaceae, Bixaceae, Cystaceae, Thymelaceae, all their master key. You can click on, let's say, Malvaceae, or you can click here, yeah, and then you entered into the Malvaceae family with master key of Malvaceae, and then the individual remedy. As you go down, if you can see chocolate, Tilia europa, Theobroma, Gossypium, like that, hibiscus, yeah. And as if you go on any one remedy, let's say Tilia europa. So you see here, you have the source, you have the master key, you have the organ affinity, you have the trinity of symptom. This is what I'm sharing with all of you in this workshop. But if you go further, you will have cases, videos, differential diagnosis. Just click on read more and you will have all the details. So many in each remedy. There is repertory, prove, if repertory rubrics are there which are speaking about the master key, proving, chemical ingredient, new research, Wikipedia, alternative classification, mythology, alternative medicine use, and also the medicine use. So if you click on materia medica, so whatever I've, from where I've come to this whole understanding and the center would come here. If you go to Wikipedia, so you have the click on Wikipedia and you directly reach there. Right now I'm not clicking there. So what has been taken and why? Then you go to mythology and you will have the all mythology details there, the center from where it has come, the master key. So this way, everything about that family, higher order, remedy, you can see. Suppose I want to go to, so there is other families. So if I entered into other families, let's say we go to cystaceae, and you will be able to same thing, but there are cases also. For example, in a cystaceae, we have put the cases. So wherever there is cases, you will see cases also in a complete descriptive form, like this, with all follow-ups and all. Similarly, if you go to again Thymelaceae, there would be case there too, like that. So the whole idea is to put everything together. Then you go to plant key again. Similarly, let's say another higher order, cucurbitale is the same story, where you have cucurbitaceae master key, then you click and you have the remedy details of each one in this form. The idea is to not to look remedy from one angle, but look from every angle. Idea is to look the master key of remedy from different angle, so that we don't go wrong. Everything what is possible about that remedy which speaks of the whole, I'm trying to put that here. Then we go to special plants. Then also I'm including, like, there's carnivorous plant, hemiparasitic plant, plant for cancer, symbiotic plant, plant for diseases like infectious diseases or bacterial, all those, poisonous plant, sacred plant, like that. These are the all which I'm already working on, and I'm sure there's more will come as in when we go further. Yeah, for example, suppose you go, you entered the plant master key and you go just here, you will also will have like this is the carnivorous tree, where you have all the carnivorous in a blue, wherever higher, whichever higher order carnivorous plants are there in nature, all are there. Then if you see, there is a whole schema there. So you will have a schema like this, where you have Malvid, Malvales, Malvaceae, and then the each remedy's master key, organ affinity, trinity, and the miasm, up to that. So like that for each family. Then if you go, there will be whole case taking on how to, once you know it's a plant case, how to reach to the source and the exact junction of the remedy, family, higher order, and the class. Then there is a community, where the whole team, which is recently a month back, I started training 10 people, giving them each one a higher order, and for a year I will train them for just one higher order, so that they learn that, and that way that's their contribution to this. because humanly it's not possible to complete everything with this integrative way in a 1 or 2 years. In 2 years, I could do only 16 higher orders, and I'm sure it will take another 3 years to finish all. So the best is the people who believe in integrative this. So I created people whom I know they have this depth, 10 from India and 10 right now 6 and 8 in my mind from the abroad, and give them one higher order, train them every month, have a meeting with them how to do it. Once I know it is all done, it's with their name, it's put here. So that way this becomes complete. So that way there is a whole team and who will contribute, like that. Right now some people who have already done put, and there are others who have, they are put as and when they do it, we put it. And like that, seminars on the plant, whoever is teaching, and also in the concept, if you see there is other method. So all other method available, and if they agree, like I'm convinced about this, many would agree to put their method here, especially their chart or their thing or their whole concept. That way you get their method too here. Already we've spoken to some and we will put it here. So this way, I think everything would come here. Not only this, then you have in different languages. So it becomes easy like that. Right now you have Bulgarian language. So you see everything comes in a Bulgarian language. So it becomes easy for us to understand, and it's very simple to do it. I'm sure once it is ready, we are still working on it. We'll tell people to put different languages here. I think this way we can put all this thing. And when I was talking to my team and especially Zwarka and all, so they say gradually we put everything here and let people use it whatever way they want to, and the way they contribute, and if it is perfect, we put other method, other cases there and put it there. Any question you have about this? This is what I wanted to share with you all about this website. And if you have any suggestion, please feel free. Anything which can be added here to make it more integrative, more holistic, and more complete.